So affiliate marketing has a lot of weird terminologies, and I'm going to be describing one of the most common ones, which is what does CPA mean specifically when it pertains to affiliate marketing. So CPA, as it pertains to affiliate marketing, stands for cost per action. I'm going to just write that out. What that really means is you're going to get paid a fixed amount if somebody takes a particular action. Now, a lot of affiliate networks, most affiliate networks, are based on, some sort of revenue sharing agreement or rev share. And what rev share means, it means you'll get a percentage of whatever the product sold for. An example is Amazon. Amazon or Walmart or eBay or ClickBank will pay you a percentage of the revenue that you generated. In Amazon's case, you'll get paid 3 to 10%. In Walmart's case, you'll get paid a couple percent. In eBay's case, you'll get paid a couple percent. Whereas in ClickBank's case, you'll get paid a couple percent. So CPA, you'll get a fixed amount. Okay, you'll always get the same amount, whether that's $25 or $5 or $50. You'll get paid that amount. So what it is not is it's not a rev share. What you also need to understand is since you're getting paid a fixed amount, that also precludes that you won't get paid a recurring commission from the products you're selling. Now, that's the beauty of programs like ClickBank is, for me, I find having recurring commission really allows you to build a sustainable business over time. Recurring money is the basis for being a real business owner. So I think this is one of the most important things in any affiliate program you're doing. I'm also an affiliate for ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels pays a recurring commission every single month, which is what I really like. I want recurring commission. Some other good recurring commission programs, by the way, are gambling programs, which will pay you a percentage of the money somebody loses. Hosting programs, many hosting programs will pay you a percentage of the money of that recurring hosting. There are a lot out there, but they're the best. Another thing that CPA or cost per action offers in affiliate marketing, generally speaking, you're not selling a broad mix of products. If you're selling a product, you're selling a single product for a single commission. Now, I can send somebody to Amazon. If I put up an affiliate link and I send somebody to Amazon, I will get a percentage of revenue of anything they buy, which is great. Whereas with a CPA program, you are only getting money if they buy this one specific product which they want you to sell, okay? But what CPA offers are in affiliate marketing. Let's talk about what they are, because right now it sounds kind of bad, right? You don't get that recurring commission. CPA offers are, by and large, the most aggressive, okay? They're definitely the most aggressive offers out there, and the payouts are the highest, generally. There's also a lot more scam products in the CPA world because they're marketed so aggressively and the payouts are so high. It's also very competitive space. It's got its good things and its bad things. I used to do CPA marketing. I made millions of dollars in CPA marketing. It's not where I got my start, but it's where I made my first multi-millions as an online marketer. I was marketing skincare products and weight loss products. And I was advertising them very aggressively. My ads were uncompliant. They didn't abide by the rules that Facebook had at the time for marketing products, but I wasn't disobeying any laws, but I was just marketing extremely aggressively, and I made a lot of money doing so. I was able to go from, this is not a joke, I was not making any money at the beginning of the week to making $25,000 a day by the end of the week. That's how fast the ramp up was. That's how fast you can scale rev share offers that way too. But CPA is just a much more aggressive space for whatever reason. Now I'm going to show you on my computer some of the offers that are in the CPA space real briefly. Now here's a popular network with CPA offers and affiliate marketing. It's called the Affiliati Network. And this is a network that I've made millions with. And as you'll see some of the verticals here are BizOp, business opportunity product. And they all have different names. They're probably all from one or two companies. Money Miracle, no cost income stream. The passive payday, okay? And you see no cost income stream, and Money Miracle. Simple Money. Now, if you can see just by the names of these offers, some of them sound too good to be true. That's because many of them are, okay? Many of these products are shoddy products, but again, the way they can get sold is because the companies that are running this business are able to offer such aggressive commissions in many cases. If you get somebody to purchase this $47 ebook, this company will pay you almost 70 bucks. Now that doesn't seem to make sense, right? If the company is only making $47, how are they able to afford to pay you $68? And the reason is because they have an unbelievably aggressive phone sales team that is built to just upsell people. They promise refunds, but they'll never give them to you. You know, it's a very aggressive space, and it lends itself to, as you see, just on this page of offers, we have business opportunities promising no cost income stream and passive paydays. Then you also have casino offers, and then you have, sort of like CBD offers, which is pretty good. But CPA is a very aggressive space. You can make a lot of money doing it, but you do have to be aware that these are products that Facebook, Google, and YouTube are actively fighting against you advertising in any way, shape, or form on their platform. And even here, you see the price format says, most of these are CPA offers. Now, what I recommend, if you want to advertise these products, what you have to do is you have to have a good Facebook account farming system. You have to be able to not run these things in your name. You have to use, very hidden domains, or you have to have ways of getting internet traffic that you don't have to worry about rules or compliance. I don't recommend CPA offers because they're too aggressive, and because many of them there's very little visibility into the owners of the company or who's actually behind the scenes. But that being said, hope this was helpful. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing in general, you can click that subscribe button. After you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, you'll get a free course about affiliate marketing. And I also encourage you to like this video and leave a comment if this was helpful, or if you're looking to get into CPA marketing, or just let me know your thoughts. Let me know.